and then he patted on you, and I was like, that's why I went up to him at the speedway, and I was like, bro, why are you going to Kobe like that?
I have air off the building. I set the air off the whole time.
All I know is if I have a boost issue or something happens and I let out and he pats on me, you gotta shoot his car.
Well, he didn't. That's the thing. He didn't let out. I still saw the front end up.
I stayed in it.
Yeah, that's it. He was like, fuck it. He stayed in. Yeah, them 350s, boy, sound crazy. All right, we at the Jack's Wax meet, man. This is their spot up here in Franklin, Tennessee. Oh, that's that Illuminator car. It's got a 5.2 Illuminator in it. It's not a Voodoo. That's the car Zach built. That makes sense. I was like, that shit don't sound like no Voodoo. But yeah, we here, man, at the meet. Cool little chill meet. We just kicking it. I might go in there, get a couple products, man. Support the business, support the brand. But we got all the homies here, kicking it. So yeah, waiting on Chris and Jerry to get here. So then we'll get some shots for y'all, of course. This video might not be that long because it's a small little space. But it's some good cars to get some shots of out here. So let's get to it.
Like, I mean, I drove 2-3 hours one way before.
Yeah.
But the street car is like 8 not having AC and
Yeah.
cage and shit, that shit's all.
Oh yeah. And then climbing in and out of it.
I like it.
You like it?
I fuck with it. I think it's different.
Yeah. I'm finna put a shoot. I raced the M4 on the way up here. And I don't think he expected me to do what I did. He pulled up. He was like, man, you need to put a shoot on that thing. I was like, it ain't that fast, but I want to do it for the look.
Everybody's giving me shit because I got a fair shoot. I'm trying to go faster. If I keep the car, I would like to put a trans brake in it and try to go fast.
Yeah.
On 18 pounds, it trapped like 120 in the 8th. I mean, that's stock motor. Now it's a built motor. I can turn it up more.
You can do whatever the heck you want. Where your truck at, man?
Man, don't even get me started. Right now, the motor's fine. It's fine. The motor's fine. Turbo, not so good.
Dang. That's another LS guy that makes me want to not get a vet.
No, the vet's a great platform, but when you start building your own stuff,
It's like, I mean,
you gotta learn.
Shelby, you know, you're gonna have some issues.
Oh, they dog.
You gotta learn from your mistakes.
But we making the same power though.
Take Biko's car.
How long do you have that turbo?
Heads cam, E85Z, no fucking issue.
That car runs. That's like mine. I ain't head cam, but
He hasn't like sprayed the fucking house down yet, but he's made hits.
yeah,
AC, heated seats, like that shit's so nice.
yeah. And it sits pretty too on those welds, man. Jeez.
His is like, probably one of like the prettiest ones. The body is great. Everything is like, the interior's like 10 out of 10. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, perfect car. Perfect.
He's out here fucking
Aaron shit up.
legally racing on the road.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Closed course, baby. Dang. What are the
Oh shit!
Oh, he freaking shouldered the mirror.
But yeah, it's
Yeah. Dang. The Impala.
It's a 6.2 car.
I saw him. I saw that Impala at Slammed Enough. He was at the Slammed Enough pre-meet. What was that? Like a month ago? It's nice. I like it. I think so. It's about a month ago now.
You know what it is. We are out here.
Yeah. Just like what that's what Hunter said last. What was that? Two Rivers. He
Weather's
said,
cooling down.
We out here.
Good hits tonight.
Yeah. That's what I'm waiting on, bro. Tonight
I know the bottom.
it's gonna be lit tonight.
Hey, y'all do decals and stripes?
Stripes, yes. Decals, it just depends.
So I got 350. So can y'all? How much y'all charge for a job like that? I already got the stripes.
I would have to have boss look at the car.
Okay.
You already have the stripes you just need to put on?
Yeah, it's over there. It's black and white.
Don't be walking behind me like that, bro.
I'll talk to them about it.
He ain't even recording, boy.
Already did.
Back your ass.
Hey, you gotta do the all that Mexico saying now.
What's that?
We out here.
That's what Daniel said. Hey, we out here. We out here, you know what I'm saying? We out here.
Every time like I do a comment or I like share something on the page, I'm like, we out here.
Nah, for real. That shit was funny.
That's what the shirts mean. I'm gonna get some shirts and shit.
You seen on the two? Yeah, you told me.
And then I'm gonna get some other shirts, or I might just say it.
Yeah.
Did that on the back of the shirt.
You seen on the video.
His Shelby, Frank C7, and then Kareem GTR. Like speed limit sign, like some normal shit, and then I can do like the same. I wanna do the same.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough. That shit gonna be tough.
Get that card out. Take more.
Nah, for real. I'm finna buy like 5 of them motherfuckers. Wear one every day. Man, for real. Be supporting the brand. We out here. Like that. For whatever I want, just hit the button. Easy. Hell no, that boy cutting up. So the meet's still going on, y'all can see, but we finna go into here and get something to eat, man. I'm starving, bro. Thirsty and everything. Finna smash. Oh, that's Jimmy's. Oh, the door is unlocked. Damn it. Just got done eating. Still some cars out here. I think a couple of the other homies came through back here, man. Came through in the Camaros and whatnot. But probably finna get out of here in a minute, get the night festivity started. So y'all just make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share it, all that. And I'll see y'all in the next one.